and this is how to create a new person. It's not a lead, it's just entering a contact in here. So you'll want to go to the plus sign. They changed the interface a little bit. So plus sign and then person, and then you'll put the name in here. This might be for your process, but it doesn't add it into any marketing fields, you know, like a title would or something like that. Phone. A lot of the fields are in this initial record. You could just add commas in here. It'll find things. Okay. So that's all the fields, things that might have value to you. So let's just see what it looks like. Jason Doe in here. You can add additional descriptions. These are for other activities that you may or may not use this nutshell for. As long as the record, you know, is in there and you keep track of the leads and the status there, I think that would be a great place to start. So I'm just going to move this over just a little bit so you can see. Well, we might need a zip code here. So then it gives you more fields when you click on that pencil. I don't know the Beaver Dam code. There it is, pops up. So anytime you click on the pencil, you can edit. You click on X, that deletes it. And yes, you can upload files here. And there are some marketing fields here. Right here is, like for example, P&G has a lot of security. So a lot of our email blasts just simply get blocked. You might want to block a competitor. Opt out is just somebody that doesn't need to see our also a competitor, just doesn't need to see or has asked not to see it. Right here is the contact type. This is sometimes nice because if I do a filter, I'll just take out customers and engineering firms, that sort of thing. And then the business group. So once again, contract, large tanks, MEPACO, SVG. Sometimes an email campaign might go to the entire SVG or something to that effect. I do want to mention that the NAICS codes are here, and you would enter the code as well. At this point I didn't do a drop down because there are so many NAICS codes, and it would be somewhat difficult probably to select from them, but it's something that we can change going forward. So in another training video we'll talk about NAICS on the company sites, which are drop downs. So anyway, this is specific to this person. So that's all it is. There is no save button here. So these changes are pretty much live.